Elon Musk reveals new 4680 battery. Tesla was the first automobile company to use a lithium-ion battery to power a car. Tesla's Roadster was the beginning of the use of lithium-ion batteries in electric cars. However, Tesla did not stop there. They went on to improve their batteries in search of something more. They desire better and more dependable batteries to ensure that the cars have a long range and can be charged for extended periods of time. This led to come up with the 4680 battery. It is said to be amongst the best batteries ever made. But what makes this battery beat all the rest? Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will look at the new and improved 4680 battery produced by Tesla. Remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. And with that said, let's have a look at this battery. When it comes to electric vehicles, the battery is the most important part of it. Just like how a normal vehicle cannot move an inch without an engine, an electric vehicle cannot go anywhere without a battery. The battery is the one used to provide energy to the motors, which in turn move the tyres. Apart from this, the battery determines the price of the vehicle. In addition, the battery also determines the weight of the car. Mostly, the battery affects the curb weight, as it could even be a third of it. When the battery is being made and fitted to the car, it has to be done properly. Otherwise, if made poorly or not fitted in the right way, then it could be a potential fire risk and it can cause massive tragedies. Most importantly of all, the range of the car is determined by the battery. By range, we mean how far you can go before you have to stop and charge your car. The battery is what makes the car reliable. Charging stations and infrastructure are still scarce all over the country. With this, Tesla has paid more attention to the batteries as they want to ensure that a driver can drive for a long time without having to charge his or her car. Currently, Tesla has some rather long ranges for their cars. For example, if you look at the Tesla Model S long range, its current range is 405 miles. It has been certified by the EPA. Adding charging stations all over the place can help reduce drivers' anxiety about range. However, instead of Tesla doing this, they decided to focus on building a better long-lasting battery that would increase the range. They made improvements and eventually, the new and insane 4680 battery was born. Tesla uses up a lot of human resources and money to ensure that they deliver only the best and most reliable electric cars on the market. So much so that their main focus is mostly on the battery. This is evident with the new battery. On Tesla's Battery Day in 2021, Musk unleashed the new 4680 battery. On unleashing it, the automotive world was shocked and amazed at the same time. There are quite a number of improvements compared to other batteries. Tesla is working hard to keep its annual growth rate between 40 and 50%. This calls for an increase in the supply of batteries. With the 4680 battery, Tesla has addressed any shortfalls in its battery supply chain as well as its growing battery demand. This will allow Tesla to remain at the top of the electric motor industry. When Tesla started designing the battery, they did not start with the chemistry first. Instead, the team looked at the lowest common denominator, which in this case was the simplest fact, attaching the battery to the minerals it was made of, in keeping with Musk's fixation on first principles thinking. After designing and redesigning, the team was able to come up with an optimized design. Tesla's design process involved acquiring Maxwell Technologies' battery pioneers and high-bar technology. It also benefits from its experience developing its first battery factory in Nevada, as well as Grohmann automation production equipment expertise. Tesla's goal from the start as the world's most vertically integrated firm was to minimize inefficiencies and increase the sustainability of the battery-making process. This goal influenced quite a lot of aspects of the battery. For example, the build of the 4680 eliminates tabs from the design. This is the reason why they are called tablets. Just changing this one feature has a tremendous impact on the production. For one, manufacturing would take place faster because the production line does not have to pause to add the tabs. In addition to this, removing the tabs also reduces the risk of manufacturing defects. This is because there is no longer any need to weld any components together. This would mean that Tesla's battery plant could produce the 4680 battery cells faster and without worrying about any defects that they may have. Tesla's Roadrunner project set up a prototype line for a new battery at its Cato Road factory in Fremont, California, to iron out the bugs in the manufacturing line. The enlarged cylindrical 4680 battery comes with a diameter of 46mm and a height of 80mm. This is where the name came from, actually. This larger roll has more active battery materials in the case as compared to the other batteries. This increases the active material, resulting in an increase in energy by 5 times and an increase in power by 6 times. When these new tablets were inserted into an existing 2170 battery pack, the range increased by 16%. Removing the tab also had another effect on the battery's functionality. It made it easier for electrons to move from place to place in the cell. In the chemistry part of the 4680 battery, Tesla was able to make some changes to the components. They were able to increase the amount of silicon used in the battery by starting with raw silicon. This reduced manufacturing costs by 5%, while increasing the production range by an incredible 20%. Tesla was also able to get rid of the traditional way of making battery cathodes. Engineers went all the way back to the global supply chain to come up with a more effective, simplified approach that produces less waste for the new battery. Cobalt, even though it is the best material for the cathode, has always caused some problems in battery production. This is because of the high toxicity of the material. Right from the mining stage, everyone who is involved in handling cobalt is at high risk. They have to be very cautious and careful. All the cobalt that is used globally comes from a single country, the Democratic Republic of Congo. Instability and corruption are very rampant there, and the two lead to very unstable prices and supply. This makes it easy to buy cobalt from them. However, Tesla found a way to get rid of cobalt. This was a smart move as it plans to increase battery production very fast, waiting to achieve mass production of 3 terawatt-hours of batteries per year. Their solution to replacing cobalt was nickel. When nickel is used to make the cathode, the cost of the cathode is reduced by 15%, making it cheaper. The capital expenditure for cathode production were reduced by 66% as a result of this new method. In addition, Tesla will use less water and produce no waste at all. The 4680 battery has a thermal management efficiency similar to that of a smaller cell, thanks to the larger diameter and the elimination of the tab. During battery charging, heat is a very crucial factor. This makes it challenging to charge large tab cells. However, this is not the case with the 4680 batteries. Once you put all the benefits of this new battery together, you will see that it is about to change the electric vehicle industry, especially in terms of energy storage. The Model Y, the Cybertruck, the new generation Roadster and the semi-truck are currently some of the Tesla vehicles that will benefit from this new battery. Tesla has already started to receive some deliveries of the materials for the new 4680 batteries at the Giga factory in Texas. During the second quarter earnings call, Musk gave a statement and said that they have a massive amount of equipment on order in Austin and Berlin. At Giga, Texas alone, Tesla intends to produce more than 100 gigatons of cells. Tesla has also decided to add a battery plant to Giga Berlin. However, it stands to receive about €1 million in incentives from the German government. Tesla had to refile its application for Giga Berlin approval. They are making the machines that will be used in the production of the cells in Canada. Its first production facility in the country is in a city called Markham. Once the machines are done, they will be exported to all of Tesla's battery-making plants around the world. Even though Tesla is building factories to manufacture the 4680 batteries, it has not yet let go of its old battery partners. Panasonic has also joined them in mass-producing the battery cells. Panasonic's CEO, Kazuo Tennobu, even confirmed that the increased capacity of the new battery is 5 times that of the capacity of the 2170. Panasonic has also confirmed that Japan is where the prototype production will take place, and that this is where deployment to other sites will take place. So what do you think of the new 4680 battery cell? Do you think it will change everything when it comes to electric cars? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, remember to leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified of new videos. Until next time, bye!